Hello, this is Manisha Dukia, your NLP master. Today we will talk about how to douse the anger, a small toolkit that can help you to douse your anger. We all know that anger is perhaps the most toxic of emotions that we have. And we experience it whenever our ego is hurt. Now, a noted science journalist Daniel Goleman, he told that emotional intelligence is the ability to guide thinking and adjust emotions to adapt to the environment. If we can guide our thinking and adjust our emotions according to the environment, that solves half the things. He also coined a term known as amygdala hijack. Amygdala is a small part in the brain that is geared to an automatic response to a perceived threat. Like if some animal is going to attack, then a person runs away from there. If there is a hot iron and we are not supposed to touch it by our fingers, the plate, then even if you touch it, then immediately you remove it from there. Hot water, if you put hot water in the mouth, immediately the water is thrown out of the mouth. All these are the amygdala hijack response which is created by this pattern. Now, Goleman shows us that when our ego is hurt and anger is aroused because of the hurt, its intensity overwhelms the rational thinking of the brain and it goes directly to the amygdala. Rational response is hijacked by an emotional response. We are not able to think right and wrong. Instead, we just go by the emotional response. We shout or we speak ill or we do something which shows that we are angry. We are not able to take the situation or the words. And the best way to prevent an amygdala hijack is to increase the emotional intelligence. Now, how can one increase the emotional intelligence? And it is not done in one day, and it is neither very difficult to do it. You can do it once you gain control of the mind with regular practice, and there are 4 simple steps that one can observe and have an emotional intelligence over the amygdala hijack. Firstly, observe the 6-second rule. Now, in this first step, you have to consciously train the brain to a 6-second interval between the stimulus and the response. That means if some event has occurred, you are not supposed to respond immediately. There should be an interval of 6 seconds between the stimulus and the response. And this interval of 6 seconds will be sufficient to prevent a hijack of reason. Now, the second is to control the breathing. The stimulus excites the mind and it in turn triggering the rapid breathing to increase inflow of oxygen necessary for a fight or a flight. Now you see, if you're breathing very fast, then you will go for a fight. If the breathing is normal, then you might act smartly and you might go for a flight and escape the situation. So the breathing pattern is very important. Number 1, interval. Number 2, the breathing pattern. Now third is to expand the mind to take a bigger picture. Now once the stimulus is put into a larger context, its intensity will reduce significantly. Make a larger picture of whatever is happening. Then automatically you will see things from a different point of view. And the 4th step and the last step is that whenever you are faced with any intense stimulus, consciously delay the response so as to analyze the situation and decide upon an appropriate response. If you will delay the stimulus, that means you will not respond automatically. You will keep the anger at bay and your response will not be something which is unhealthy for you and for the environment and for the people around you. Now what should you do in this situation? Number 1, either focus on your breath when any such situation is happening, or count 10 to 9 backwards, and try not to listen or focus on whatever the person in front of you is saying, and that is creating a amygdala hijack in you, so that you trigger with a negative response thing called anger. If you delay the response, automatically this will happen. I hope this helps you during this time to douse your anger, because times are not easy, the times are tough, and it is very important that we keep a strong mind and keep all these unhealthy emotional triggers, or we act with emotional intelligence and handle the things around us. Even if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact on my WhatsApp number 917991109595. It should be a genuine question. Don't just come for the heck of asking. If genuinely you are facing something, I'm there to help you out. You can come and ask me your questions, and please be calm now. That is the need of the time. Thank you so much. This is Manisha Adukia. Jai Hind, and thank you so much.